Bridge Course Pre-Test 2022 to 23 Class 7th Subject General Science Question Answers. Marks 20. Question 1. Give names of 1. Motion of hands of a clock. Answer: circular motion. 2. A pigment present in the cells of epidermis, melanin. 3. Force applied by machine, mechanical force. 4. Nutrition. Answer: carbohydrates, protein. Question 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. There is attraction between dash poles. Option: like, unlike. Answer: unlike. Question 2. Nickel is dash. Option: magnetic, non-magnetic. Answer: magnetic. Question 3. Metals like silver, gold, copper can be drawn into a fine wires. This property is called dash. Option: malleability, ductility. Answer: malleability. Question 4. Substances obtained from living things are called dash substances. Options: biotic, abiotic. Answer: biotic. Question number 3. Who is the odd one out? 1. Mango, banyan, palm, chickpea. Answer: chickpea. Second, copper, gold, iron, wood. Answer: wood. Question number 4. Write the names of types of energy from the following example. Options: light energy, heat energy, sound energy, potential energy. 1. Glass panes of windows crack due to a loud noise. Answer: sound energy. 2. Plants make a food in presence of sunlight. Answer: light energy. 3. When key is given to the toy, it starts running. Answer: potential energy. Question 5. Tell how can we save and reuse water? Answer: rainwater collected from rooftops is cleaner than storm water because storm water has run across the ground and become dirtier. Similarly, grey water from showers, bathrooms, sink and washing machines is considered to be cleaner than wastewater, sometimes called black water. From toilets and kitchen sinks, usually grey water and wastewater are mixed after they go down the drain and leave our homes or businesses, so they don't seem very different. The differences become more important if we want to reuse the water. Question number 6. Write which vitamins we get from following substances. Papaya, carrot. And what happens if there a deficiency of specific vitamin? Answer: we get vitamin A from papaya, carrot. If there is deficiency of vitamin A, there will be inflamed skin, night blindness, infertility, delayed growth and respiratory infection. Question number 7. Distinguish between uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. Uniform linear motion. Uniform linear motion is a uniform motion along a linear path or straight line. The direction of motion is fixed, so it is not accelerated. Example: a car running with the uniform speed of 12 km per hour on a straight road. Non-uniform linear motion. Non-uniform linear motion is a non-uniform motion along a linear path or straight line. The direction of motion is fixed, so it is accelerated. Example, movement of an asteroid. Question number 8. What will be your immediate action if your friend has a minor burns? Answer. Minor burns required immediate action, but after don't require a trip to the emergency room. You should run cool water over your finger or hands for 10 to 15 minutes. After flushing the burns, cover it with the dry sterilize bandage.